Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Leads Leap review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profitable passive income has come in with Leads Leap affiliate commissions. Live in my account here, I'll just refresh the page to show you the update. And this is my account overview in my members area. And what you'll see here is total income is $1,452 in affiliate commissions. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you, if we go into my little table up here, I want to show you how even as a free lifetime member, you can earn these affiliate commissions. So it's the table that you get that says membership comparison free versus pro. So when you come down to the bottom on the left hand side here, you'll see affiliate commissions. You will earn 25% or 50% recurring commissions. So as a free member, when I started, if you promote Leads Leap, you can get those 25% recurring commissions. That's what I did when I first joined. And then I carried on promoting the platform. I built up some monthly recurring commissions. Then I upgraded to Pro. And then at Pro level, you're going to get 50% monthly recurring commissions. So that's how the affiliate program works. I'm going to show you all the different features and some proof that they actually work, some commission proof that they work in this video. So the link in the description will take you to this page, and this it says a lifetime free membership offer. So all you need to do to get your free membership is just click on that button there, create a username, an email address, a genuine email address, your first name, and create a password, and then sign up. And that's it. Then you get access to the members area. I'll show you a bit later on some video tutorials I'm going to give you as well. And you're going to get everything here, every single tool, including traffic, that you need to make money online. And Leads Leap has been around since 2008. So it's evolved over the last 16 years and continues to evolve and move with the times. So you're going to be using traffic and tools that work, that's up to date with the latest technology, and the owner Kenneth constantly adding new features to this system. So if you do go to that link in the description, you want more information on how things work, just click the how you want to know buttons here. So if you want to know how to get traffic for free, how to build a list for free, how to create landing pages, lead capture pages for free, pop-up forms for free, tracking links if you want to track where your commissions are coming from, how to make money for free. So if you go on, just click on there and it'll just open a new window, and there's 5 ways to make money with Leads Leap. That will go through those 5 ways in there. So all the information's on the homepage. If you've got any questions you want answering, you're going to get, there's a lot more information on there as well. So what I want to do now is I want to show you one of my favorite features of Leads Leap, which are the share codes. Now, if you're not familiar with share codes, a share code is something created by Leads Leap. So I'll just show you what a share code is here. This is a share code here for a lead capture page. Now, what happens here is that you can clone other members of Leads Leap lead capture pages, splash pages, welcome pages, email follow-up series. So everything's done for you with these share codes. So as an example, if you wanted to clone my click engine funnel, which would be this lead capture page here, and then it will go on to this welcome page here with all the video. Everything's done for you. The videos, the calls to action, the tutorials. It's a complete system cloned just by copy and pasting these pages in these share codes into Leads Leap. So the share codes are really one of the great features, especially if you're a beginner and you've joined an affiliate program, or you've joined a multi-level marketing business, or a crypto, or a software, and you want to promote it, but you don't want to create the pages and the follow-ups and do all that work. This is just copy and paste in a few clicks. So it's a great feature that I really, really like. And what you will find is, if you're a member of something now, there will be another Leads Leap member who have created a share code. I get people emailing me all the time for my share codes. We gladly share them, and it just helps people. So within Leads Leap, we work as a team and help each other build businesses online. So this is an example of an email autoresponder series. So the share code is that there. So if somebody said to me, Barry, can I have the share code for the email series? I would just copy that there, paste it, and then send it over. And they would clone my complete email follow-up series. And all they would do is just put their affiliate links into those emails, and that's it. Now, what I really like about the autoresponder, the list builder and autoresponder within Leads Leap, is the deliverability. So also the price. Now, we're not here to be negative about other autoresponders, but one of the reasons I did join Leads Leap was for the autoresponder, because it's one fixed price for unlimited subscribers. So you can have as many email lists as you want. If you're a pro member, you can have as many subscribers as you want. And what you'll find, if you're doing research on other autoresponders, some of those, as your subscriber list grows, you have to pay a higher monthly subscription. Now, they are all great, they're all excellent, and they all work, but just work with what's within your budget as to what you can afford. So we're not here to be negative about other autoresponders, but to just work within what's within your budget and what you can afford. Now, another reason is the deliverability. So if you look on here, what we want to look at here is the open. So when you're getting opens, here, open 141, opened 134, opened. One of the main reasons I joined Leads Leap and the autoresponder, it gets delivered into the email inbox. Not the promotions folder, not the spam. It's got a high deliverability, and if you're not getting any opens, then you're not going to be getting any clicks. So you'll see in this column here, the pencil's working a bit slow. Because I'm using a screen recorder. But this is the click column here. So if you're getting opens, then you're going to be getting clicks. Now, if you're not getting clicks onto your offer with your autoresponder, then you're not going to make any money online. But you'll see the high, the open rate is in some cases 25 to 30%, which is high. But we're also getting clicks. So we're getting a 50% click-through rate here. We're getting almost a 50% click-through rate here. So that's the key to success with an email autoresponder, is getting deliverability into the inbox. And then once you get into the inbox, then you can get opens if your subject line's good. And then you can get clicks if you're promoting something that's of value to your prospects. And just to show you some proof that these Leads Leap tools work and that you can earn commissions with them, this is my Warrior Plus account here. So when I showed you over here, when I showed you the Click Engine lead capture page, the click all done with Leads Leap, the Click Engine welcome page, one of my Click Engine autoresponder lists, and you'll see here the Click Engine, but my commissions with Warrior Plus, which is what I use Leads Leap tools to promote, I've earned $11,000 in commissions, 23,500 in sales, and I've sold in this left-hand column 2,635 products. So these tools work. That's why I always recommend them to anybody that asks me if they're good value. And also a prosperity marketing system. This is a $12 a month system. If you go onto my YouTube channel, you get more information. But by using the Leads Leap tools and the traffic as well, but mainly the tools, lead capture page, welcome page, autoresponder follow-ups, I've turned $12 a month into 11,500 of total earnings. I'm just about to do a video, it's going to be 12,000. So these tools work, and that's one reason why I recommend them to anybody that asks me about them, or any of my students when they ask me what tools and traffic I should recommend. So let's have a quick look at the training course I want to give you. There'll be a link in the description where you can get this free training course. It's a series of video tutorials that will teach you how to use every single feature within the Leads Leap toolbox. So just conscious of time here. So if we go back into the members area over here, if we go back onto the dashboard, and if you do look down the left hand side here, it can be quite overwhelming when you first join Leads Leap because you've got a lot of information down here, a lot of information. So don't get overwhelmed, just take your time with it. There's plenty of time. You have got some tutorials here if you like using text and image, how to advertise. So all you do is use these text and image tutorials, and there's a search window here. So if you don't like, I like video, I learn by video, but we've all got a different learning style. So if you like to learn by text and image, then you can just put in the search window how to create a lead capture page, and then it will bring up here all the different email series, lead capture page, etc. So that's how you use those side-by-side tutorials. So depending on what your learning style is, I'll put a link to this video tutorial training course in the description if that's something that's going to be of benefit and of help to you. So there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. We're not going to make any income or product claims or guarantees in this video. It's just for educational purposes only. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd appreciate that. It will support my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the notification bell. So I do several new uploads every week. Any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. And what I just recommend that you do is just come over here, set up your free account, and just come and have a look around in the members area, and you're going to get all this here, all this value you're going to get with a free lifetime membership. So it's well worth just having a little look and deciding as to whether these tools and this traffic are going to help you become successful online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.